Everyone snores, but you ask them, not me. Oh, really? Meanwhile, your partner has a whole collection of voice recordings that sound like a chainsaw factory at midnight. Snoring isn't just annoying. It can be a sign of sleep apnea and other issues. So if you're the snore denier in your relationship, do your partner a favor. Get checked out. Worst case, you stop sounding like a bulldozer. Best case, you find a fix, and both of you can finally get some actual rest. And hey, denial might work in politics, but it doesn't work in the bedroom.